Happy Monday. Nasdaq is up $155. By the way, if you didn't know, 55 is my linebacker number during college. Fun, fun tip about me. Enough of that. We're currently floating around 30,300 on Nasdaq. For today, we are bullish. For those who joined us yesterday, congratulations. Welcome to the fam. All right. I love the day candle right now. There's no wick at the bottom. This is a beautiful way to start the week. Now, I'm going to go ahead and turn on the levels we did yesterday. So, who was with us yesterday? We did the previous week levels, which is green, and the previous day high and low. Now, there's one we missed right here. Let's go ahead and knock that out right now. It is the horizontal ray, which is on the day view. We're going to get the bottom of this Friday candle. We might not need it today based on how we look, but definitely going to need it sometime this week, possibly. All right. Now to look back in the past, since we cleared, was at 30,273, we need to go look at the next level where we're more likely going to approach. So we took out the candle on July 2nd, and then we came back down. So that's a nice little resistance there. But the goal, the next goal, by the end of the week, more than likely, we're going to tap 30,554. Let's drop this down to the 1 hour. Let's see what happened during the Asia session. All right. So actually, you know what? Let me drop it down for you on the 5 minutes because that's where we traded yesterday. All right. So we had a lower high, nice upward trend. We got in somewhere around here. We got out somewhere before 7 o'clock. Nice run above the VWAP. We broke the trend, came down, went below the VWAP, came back up. I like how it rejected off the trend line as well, came back down. We had a nice double bottom, rally up, continuation. Nice pop at 125, ran up, came back down. I like how the level we set yesterday at 30,273 became a nice resistance / supports. This is the exact reason why I said, hey, you got to mark your levels. Price loves to magnet and go to those levels and become support / resistance. So go ahead and watch yesterday's video live stream. You'll see what I'm talking about. All right. And then we bounced back up, came back down. So obviously this level right here, 30,324 is a nice resistant area. Price loves to hit that level and then reject and come back. Obviously, you can see that on a higher time frame moves on the day as well. All right, come back. So our true support here for the day, I'm going to draw a new trend line now. This is no longer relevant, so I'm going to delete that. We're going to draw a new ray trend line. We're going to make this thing tight from here. Oh, yes. All right. I think right here should be fine. Perfect. So new trend line is going to be here. So you know my motto. We're above the VWAP. We have a new support and a new trend line. We're looking for calls, preferably a bounce off of here and right up to the upside. If price crosses below the trend line and floats with volume, more than likely it's going to come down to the 30,273 level. If it breaks there and rejects there, it's going to go ahead and visit the VWAP. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, you know what to do. Tap into CIYcapital.com. Just in case I do talk so fast, I'm going to put it right here for you, ladies and gents. All right, CIYcapital.com. Have an amazing trading day.